I'm Ashley Walker. I'm recording for Tracy Pearson. She will be showing how to do physical restraints.
Okay. Just gonna raise your bed up for a good level for me, okay? Put your head down here just a little bit. We're gonna put on your restraints. Are you comfortable? Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to assess the condition of the skin. Everything looks good. We're going to be applying some soft limb restraints. So in order to do that, we want to make sure that before we do that, we know the manufacturer directions and the facility policy on restraints. We're going to apply the padded side here to the wrist. And you want them to be snug, but you should be always be able to get 2 fingers underneath. So not too tight, but not too loose either. Okay, so we're good with the 2 fingers. Now we're going to bring the restraint down. We're going to put it on the bedpost. Don't ever tie these to the bed rails. Just going to pull our cords on through. Okay, and now we're going to create a slip knot. You want to make sure that you have a slip knot in case there's an emergency. You're able to easily and quickly get this untied. The next restraint I want to demonstrate for you is the mitten restraint. Same thing, you want to definitely, also you want to make sure you release your restraints a minimally of every 2 hours. At that time you're going to provide your patient with a drink, something to eat, potty them, and do some range of motion. So before I do this, I want to assess the mitt restraint. I want to assess the skin integrity. Everything looks good. Are you comfortable? Okay. So we're going to go ahead and apply the mitten. We want to make sure that when we do this, that you're keeping the skin padded and covered. So we have our skin covered, okay? Once again, this needs to be snug, but not too snug. We should always be able to get 2 fingers underneath here. And then if you needed to check for circulation before your 2-hour period was up, you could easily look here. You could feel the temperature of the skin. The pulses are okay, so everything's good in there. And when we release these every 2 hours, we would then release 1 at a time. And if your patient was combative, then you'd want to have somebody here with you as well to do that. And then we were going to offer our patient a drink, something to eat, the restroom, and we're going to provide range of motion for our patient. Are you comfortable? Okay, here's your call light. I'm going to put your bed down, safe position, then I'm going to wash my hands and document the procedure.